porcupine fends off 17 lions. I'm Kat Jovi and I have all the prickly details for you right here on I.O. A porcupine looked like a bit of a badass this week. A YouTube video was uploaded where a porcupine was surrounded by 17 lions and somehow didn't become dinner. This happened on a private reserve bordering the Kruger Reserve in South Africa. The man who caught the footage and writes for the reserve's blog said, "This is not an ideal place to be, especially if you feature on the menu of a lion." Clearly, he thought that this porcupine was destined to be dinner. However, the porcupine did not have this on his list of things to do. I'm not gonna lie, I would have thought easy pickings for sure, but he has proved us all wrong. Well done, porcupine. Well done. As the pride got closer and closer coming in to try to make him dinner, he would just back up really quickly and put his barbs right in their face, and they of course would jump back and stop their advances. This went on for quite some time, but apparently the porcupine was more stubborn to live than the lions were to have a snack. Apparently, this is their usual defense mechanism. If a predator gets close enough, this is what it uses. A lot of people apparently think that they shoot quills, but this is not true. There are micro barbs on the quills so that whenever the paws or face or whatever is coming in for the porcupine get close enough, it attaches to, and it's extremely painful. So I'm guessing one of these lions, or maybe a couple of them, have run into a porcupine before, and we're not looking to have that experience once again. In this video, the situation goes on for quite some time. Eventually, the pride does lose interest and disappears into the night, and the porcupine is left there, being the king of the jungle, just for one night. I'm Kat Jovi, this was I.O., and my question to you guys is, have you ever heard of any other strange victories like this where the little guy won? Comment below, tell us your stories.